Hello and welcome back to Residual Royalty Academy. This is a channel where I show you how to go from nothing to at least $1,000 per month in profit in passive income by publishing low and no content books. But it doesn't stop at $1,000 a month. You can go to $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 per month by selling very simple and easy to create books. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is a price strike, because some of you may not have even heard of it, some of you may have, or some of you also may want to know how to get one. And I'm just going to talk about it from my personal experience, because I've had it a couple of times on a few different books. So what is it and how do you get one? So a price strike is where the Amazon algorithm discounts your book on your behalf. It could be by $1, by $2, by less than $1, could be by more than $10 depending on the price of the book. You know, if your book is at $25 and it's selling incredibly well, Amazon might discount it by $10 to entice even more customers. Okay, and the key here is that you still get the full royalty, not a reduced royalty based off the new price that Amazon sets. So if you set it at $6.99 or $7.99, you're going to get the corresponding royalty, even if Amazon has listed it at $3.99 or $4.99. So it's not going to affect your royalty, but it's hopefully going to improve your sales. So it's a win-win for both you and the customer, as they're going to save money and you're also going to sell more books. So how do you identify when a book or when one of your books has had a price strike? So you'll obviously need to be going and checking on your listings occasionally, like I'm sure you do, to check the rankings. And so let's take a look at a couple of books on Amazon. So this is an example of a book. Now it's a pretty good book. It has 5,000 ratings and it has been on Amazon for almost 11 years. So that's pretty amazing. If we set that to all time, that's going back way too far. But what you can see is that this book for years and years was listed at $11.99. But if you look here at the blue line, this is the price that Amazon has set it at. So the rank is changing, always in like the top 3,000 books. But Amazon continually always is changing the price here to 8, to 5, to 5, to 7, to 6. And you can see up here, they actually changed the list price to $14.99 and Amazon is now selling it for them at $11.99. So they're getting a pretty good royalty off this book. That is absolutely for sure. I could check that, but I'm sure you know how to do that with tangent templates or with some other tool to see royalty amounts based on number of pages, color, and the list price. So yeah, if we go down here, let's see what else is going on. So you can see it's ranked number 426. And you can also tell there's a price strike just by looking at this. So it says recommended retail price is $14.99, which is where they listed it at, and this is the price that Amazon has set, so $11.99. You can see the exact same thing on here, $12.99 reduced down to $8.16, £8.16 should I say, sorry. So you can see there, look at the yellow line that says the list price is $12.99 and $8.16 is the price that Amazon has put it at, and it does change over time. As you can see, they had it at £9.50 there. And if we go back by a year, maybe it's going to be even more. So yeah, you can see when it was down at 300, they were continually changing the price up and down by huge amounts really. And that really does help the book to sell. So you can see right now it's ranked in the top 1,000. And it's definitely helped by the fact that Amazon is discounting the book for them while still giving them the full royalty. So that's pretty much what a price strike is. Now it's not when you see this. Now don't get confused by this. So this is the Kindle price here, $3.99. That is not a price strike from $12.99. That is just comparing it to the paperback price to make the customer think there is some sort of a discount, even though there's not really, because you're not getting the paperback book. And I've also written here, when you see the Kindle price reduced along with a timer, that's a Kindle countdown deal. That's a completely different thing, and that's a topic for another video. That is not an algorithm price strike. So how do you get a price strike? This is probably what you're most interested in. So it's either by holding a good ranking, and I've done this on a couple of books, so below 10,000 in the UK, or maybe 5,000 in the USA, or by making consistent sales over a time frame of 2 or 3 months. You don't need to email Amazon, it's all done automatically by the algorithm, as long as you're making consistent sales and you've got a good BSR. So before I end the video, just make sure you download the Helium 10 Chrome extension. I will leave a link in the description. It's going to be an affiliate link, so you can sign up, get your free account, and then you can connect the Helium 10 Chrome extension to your Amazon, so you can get the graphs like these that I have on every single listing, which is really helpful to see how the price is changing over time, and also how the rank changes over time for your books, and also when you're looking at other people's books as well, it shows it for both of those. So I do hope today's daily upload has been very useful for you, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow in another daily upload.
They wanna count me out before